Most of the clients here, guys, are Australian. So, morning shift kayo if ever matanggap. Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome dito sa ating home-based story kung saan nagsishare tayo ng mga work at gigs na pwede tayong kumita ng pera online. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito, please hit subscribe and follow. If you are eyeing to be a virtual assistant or VA this year, ihanda nyo na yung notes nyo and your resume because in this video, I will be sharing a list of different VA websites that you can apply to this year. By the way guys, i-share ko din to sa ating bagong Facebook page. So make sure you check it out para makuha nyo lahat ng link. Ayan, so guys, let's start the list with the fresh and yung mga bago pa talaga na VA websites. Yung hindi ko pa na-share sa ating mga previous videos. So, number 1 is VA Staffer. So, ito yung kanilang website and this is one of the newer talaga na VA sites. You'll see here yung mga tasks na gagawin mo as a VA and of course, some video testimonials from yung mga na-hire na nila. So, click nyo lang tong apply to be a VA to get started. Alright, so number 2 naman is Task Bullet. Ayan, so also one of the fresh website for VAs. You will be directed sa isang short questionnaire and i-upload nyo din dyan yung inyong resume. Ayan, so hit nyo lang yung submit to start your application. Number 3 is Remote Coworker. Ito yung kanilang website. So, medyo nalito ako dito kasi ka-color and ka-sound niya yung isang alam ko ng VA website before. But this one is newer. Ayan. So, most of the clients for Remote Coworker is based, guys, in Florida. They come from different industries. Same lang naman nung isang site kanina para mag-apply. May short questionnaire kayong sasagutan and then dyan nyo i-upload din yung inyong resume. Okay, so number 4 guys is Bottleneck Distant Assistant. So, ang tawag nila dito instead of VA is DA. So, Distant Assistant. Ito yung website nila and para mag-apply, click nyo lang yung join our team and then may form ulit tayong i-fill out. And if you want to check yung mga available jobs, dito natin yan sa job board makikita. Number 5 is Remote Assistant PH. Ayan, so si Remote Assistant PH, sa Facebook ko sila nakita. And ito na talaga yung page nila mismo, yung kanilang application portal. So, yan na yung, dyan sila nagpo-post ng mga jobs available. So, feel free to check out their post kung meron kayong gustong job dyan. I like this VA company kasi competitive yung kanilang mga ino-offer na salary and hourly rate sa mga VAs nila. Ayan, ayun nga lang, most of the time, they already want yung mga may experience na. Next, guys, is Pepper Virtual Assistants. Ito, this is their website and makikita nyo dyan yung different VA roles na pwede nating gawin for the clients. To apply, idagdag nyo lang yung /apply dito sa kanilang URL or sa website address and madire-redirect kayo sa form na ito where we can also submit our resume. Number 7, Support Shepherd. Yung website nila guys is shepherdcareers.com. So, click nyo lang yung view jobs para makapag-browse tayo ng mga available jobs. So, nagulat ako marami ditong roles na hindi lang simple virtual assistant. So, I recommend this especially for highly skilled individuals na may, may skills na sa design or sa tech or sa sales, or sa web development, etc. So, marami talaga dyan. You can feel free to browse. Number 8, guys, is Outsource Access. Dito, I like how they separated yung VA niches. So, makikita nyo dyan yung different kinds of VA. So, alam mo kung ano yung pwede mong i-expect sa work mo. Sometimes kasi nabublur yung lines na hindi ka lang basta graphic designer, biglang magiging editor ka na rin, biglang magiging admin ka na rin. So, maganda dito kasi they classify each niche. So, to apply, you just click the button and you fill out this form. Number 9 is OVA Virtual. So, dito maganda kasi meron kayong health coverage along with your regular pay. Kasi, syempre, pag puyat kayo palagi, medyo prone tayo sa mga sakit, diba? So, malaking bagay yan, guys. Click nyo lang itong sign up and fill out this super short form to start. Ayan, may pop out dyan where we can submit our resume. And the last one for the fresh and yung mga bago is U-Source. And so they don't really specify kung ano gagawin mo. Nilagay lang nila dyan yung mga skills na hinahanap nila. So if you have these skills that are posted, you may go ahead and submit your resume to careers@usource.me. Salary guys is also negotiable here. So, ayun guys, yung mga hindi ko pa na-share previously in our videos. I think this is the 5th or 6th na list of VA websites that I've shared along with other different kinds of jobs. So, you want more choices or if you want more websites, then feel free to browse our old videos. Ilalagay ko din dito sa screen yung mga na-share ko na before. Ayan, yung mga tried and tested na VA websites. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply doon sa mga websites na meron ng track record of hired Filipinos. Ayan. Kung meron kayong bago that you wanna add to the list, please share it on our comment section below. Comment nyo na din guys, doon sa mga nakita natin kanina, ano ba yung VA niche na gusto nyong pasukin? Marami na kasi kayong different VAs, diba? Hindi kagaya dati, pag sinabi mong VA, VA ka lang talaga. Kung halimbawa naman hindi mo gusto maging VA pero gusto mo mag-work online, if you want to browse other jobs, meron tayong mga marketplaces din na na-share. Hindi lang VA or virtual assistant jobs yung makikita nyo dito. Ayan siya, ipa-flash ko na lang guys sa screen ha para kita nyo na. Ayan, screenshot nyo na lang. Kagaya ng na-mention ko, ipopost ko yan sa ating bagong Facebook page. Nahack kasi tayo noong end of November guys. And I really tried during December na bawiin pero talagang wala. So, ito meron tayong bagong page. We're starting a new in Facebook. So, check nyo na lang tayo dyan. Sana ma-follow nyo rin ako kasi I also post videos, updates, lahat yan. Usually, sa Facebook ko siya sinishare. Ayun. Ano yung mga task ng VA na interested kayong malaman or matutunan? Comment nyo below para may idea din ako on, you know, what topics are good, diba, for our next videos. And so, sana nakatulong to sa inyong paghahunt ng career for virtual assistant this year. And please feel free to share our videos to those na nagtatanong sa inyo, saan ba pwede maganda mag-apply? Ayan. Copy nyo na lang to or direct them to my channel. We have tons of videos for them. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me until the end of our video. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on our next one. Bye!